Simon Ekpa finally banned umuada from today henceforth. They said that after the convention in Finland, that Biafra will kick up with like a rocket to no be small thing. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If not today, not the first time you come across this channel, remember say here we talk anything where the same they no talk na so we they talk they put too. And if what would they do for here, you know, like oya, carry your bag, handle it. No be smart thing. Okay, my people, let's quickly go into the Obonge news what we get for hand today. Today na sharply. The PM will be Prime Minister Simon Ekpa government in exile. He don't come out though say he don't ban umuada and umuada Biafra. Whether na from US or you operate anywhere where you operate from, they don't give you sack letter. According to the PM will be Simon Ekpa, say umuada, that group called umuada is no longer existing. And they say that after the convention in Finland, that if Biafra didn't come, that is Biafra did not catch fire, as in waiting could happen. But you know say in their lie. You know say now waiting person talk, now so they take put our, we know they put our own sort or Maggie put. We'll go ahead, go play the video, may you watch. And before we come back, we'll continue. Let me smart, you know, may you watch the video.
Those who have served this particular purpose for a very long time has done a very good job. And for that reason, from this the Biafra people, that anybody, any group called umuada, whether it is umuada worldwide or whether it is umuada in America, whether it is umuada in autopilot, everything umuada, as far as this government is concerned, has been dissolved. There is nothing like umuada going forward. And do not listen to anybody who parade herself, parade him or herself as umuada or supporter of umuada. It doesn't exist in this government. We have every woman serving in this particular government in the cabinet of Biafra government in exile. The number of women in the cabinet outnumber the number of men. Nobody is going to form anything outside this government. Everybody is within the cabinet of government. So umuada is dissolved and banned. Everybody that is having anything to deal with anybody called umuada, you are on your own from tonight. We must remain focused. Any slightest distraction will cut you off. And it is not now that we have gone this far that we're going to create any room for anybody to sabotage this struggle. They never born you. So from tonight, if you have anything to do with anything called umuada, distance yourself from them. Otherwise, you are going to form your own and do whatever you want to do. We're not against anybody doing whatever they want to do. But once you are part of this Biafra government in exile, there is nothing like umuada from tonight. Those of you coming to Finland, comport yourself. Make sure you are watching and following the WhatsApp group that have been created for everybody coming to Finland. The WhatsApp group is a place where you are going to be getting every information you need, both the security information and every information about this particular convention. Because while in the convention, we will be communicating to you through the platform. So if you are added to that platform, make sure you read everything being posted to that platform for your own good, so that you know what to do at any particular point in time. By tomorrow, we are going to update every person that is coming to Finland on our security measures. And it will be posted in that particular WhatsApp forum. So do not say that you did not hear or you did not see or you did not read that particular security measures. When you will come to the venue, because every directive that will be given to you, you must follow it to be able to have access to the venue of this convention. So pay attention and follow whatever that is happening on that group. Nobody is allowed to post anything to that group except the chairperson and those in charge, the committees. Probably nominated one person that will be posting every update. When to go to coffee, update on when to go for a security check, update on what to do, how to do it, what to bring to the hall, what not to bring to the hall, how to come to the hall, how not to come to the hall, how you are going to dress, how you will not dress. All those updates will be coming through this group. I want to thank you all for your support so far, for your prayer. I want to thank the Biafra Liberation Army. I want to thank all the commanders. I want to thank the Biafra resistance fighters. I want to thank all the commanders. I want to thank the BNL. I want to thank the Biafra Black Marine, the Navy, the Dragon Fighters Marine. I want to thank all of you for the wonderful job you're doing in Bakassi Peninsula. Bakassi is our own, and there is no two ways about it. We will fight any forces in our territory until they leave. And after Finland, the game will change. If the game don't change, then you know that I'm a liar. After Finland, I am Bapelo Nigeria film. The film and the movie they never see before. We'll open it for them. May God bless all of you. From here, from me.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear them from the direct from Simon Ekpa, as he take talk say anything like this group called umuada, he say they don't ban them. Now with the waka for him page, now we'll come see one tweet we made. Call out Critics News. He say make Critics News no put in mato and make you no put in picture again. Take do any post. No be small thing. Things are happening. Now come rush go jam Critics News side. Man know wetin they go on. Now Critics News don't tell and say no wahala. Say since now like this, say no problem. I jump into comment. Man know wetin they happen. Now some people see they talk say Critics News know that guess you say only be saying they bring out anything where person they do use and come talk. Other people they talk PM commandos move go blocking page, move go report am. Now some other people they talk say Critics News now introduce the BNA. I gonna have na BNA, yeah BNA, yes, to Simon Ekpa. So many people come they talk so many things for inside that place. Now it's okay, no wahala. We will see how this thing will end. But however, this is my own contribution put for the matter. You know, say this Biafra struggle wey be say what they do, God help us to move come out for these people hand and go build our home. Oga boko chichi onyekwu uchie no Igbo. It's not going to be if you talk they go say may they bring you, may they cut off your head. That one no be freedom. If you like attack me, if you like may you not attack me. But we know better say we go fight for freedom. We be say if you come fight I can't come home. Anybody, if your brother can't talk put, you go tell us say me shut up. Allow anybody to say whatever I want to say and to do whatever we want to do. This is the only advice where I go give all of una. This is the only advice where I go give people where they comment and people also where they fight put. And this is my advice as well to PM will be Simon Ekpa. Leave people to say out their mind. They talk this in here every time. You can't shut people up or tell them not to say what they want to say. It's a freedom of speech. If we are fighting for, according to what I've been hearing and what I've been seeing, this Biafra that we are fighting should be a way that you can say add things. You can as in express yourself, even though you express it wrongly, but it will not be like Nigeria. This way you will come outside to talk. They will not use DSS to to look for you like they are castigated Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. It's because he say at his mind. In Biafra, come and you can stand up and say, hey, I want my own country. The government will not be looking for you to catch you to arrest you, but in other way to address it. For I believe that this is a freedom that I'm seeing in Biafra, unless it's not the freedom you people are seeing. So there should be a freedom of speech. That is my own contribution for inside this matter. But you will go come here, come write nonsense. If you write finish, may use your head. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update.